Hi everybody, it's me Brandy with Bvintage Fashion Decor, and today I have a little bit of a different kind of video for you. I was approached by Sunflower Jewels to do a review on their products, and they sent me a few products. It's not a sponsored video. They simply wanted me to try their products and give my honest feedback on what I thought of them. And I did. I did my honest unboxing, which you're going to see here in a moment. And I've been trying out their products and I absolutely love them. So I wanted to make sure that I let you know they did offer a special promo code on their products for my subscribers. When you go to their website and you find some beautiful products, whether it be jewelry or non-jewelry items, because they have both, you can use the promo code Brandy30, and that's BRANDI 30, and I will put that in the description box below to this video, and you will actually get a 30% discount off of your order, which is tremendous. That is wonderful that they did that, and I really appreciate it. So enjoy watching my review, my unboxing of their products, and let me know in the comments below. I also have a giveaway going too with one of their products, so let me know in the comments below if you got a chance to check out any of their products or which one in this video is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hi everybody, it's me Brandy with Bvintage Fashion Decor, and today I have a little bit of a different unboxing video for you. Sunflower Jewels actually reached out to me and sent me some beautiful jewelry for myself to test and to see how I liked the quality of their product, as well as to do a giveaway actually for my subscribers. So I wanted to thank first off Sunflower Jewels for sending me the jewelry and giving me the opportunity to share this with all of you. And also I'm going to link down below in the description box their Instagram page as well as their website. Their Instagram page has beautiful pictures of jewelry as well as beautiful pictures of sunflowers at all stages in Sunflower's lives. And also their website has more than just jewelry, but it is probably 90% jewelry. So it's just real fun to take a look at all of what they have to offer. And I will tell you, the shipping was extremely fast, which was great. And everything is packaged so beautifully. I did do a little sneak peek in the box, and there is an item in here I'm going to keep for myself, as well as my daughter staked claim on one of the items because she absolutely fell in love with it. And then there's another item in here that I'm going to do a giveaway on. So the giveaway, what I'd like to see happen with that is definitely go and, well, first you need to be a subscriber to my page, like the video and share the video, and then also go over to Instagram and show them some love at Sunflower Jewels and follow them on Instagram. All right, that's it. I will draw the, oh, you know what, actually, let's leave a comment down below too of maybe what your favorite piece was. And that's how I'll actually do the drawing, is from the comments. Okay, let's get started now. So right off the bat, when I opened this up, this is exactly how it looked inside. Beautifully packaged. I love that they actually have this beautiful box with their name on it, and then these little silk bags. My daughter freaked when she saw these adorable stickers, and they actually look like they are some handmade stickers. And then here is their card as well. So Sunflower Jewels, and it kind of gives you a good idea of what some of the stuff is that they offer. And then I will obviously link down below everything, but here is their Instagram, and then also it looks like they have a TikTok account too. There we go. All right. So let's do the box first. I'm going to set this to the side and we will open up. I love, love, love how you open this up. Now I will tell you, this particular box is what my daughter fell in love with because it had two things in there that she absolutely loves in life: hearts and rings. She's obsessed with both. So this is an absolutely gorgeous heart with a center stone. And I didn't take it out to see if it was sterling. I will do that. And then these two rings, and it looks like there is a star, or I'm sorry, a sun ring and a moon ring. And they are adjustable. Oops, I just linked them together. They are adjustable, and they are adorable on. And I'd imagine you could also wear them as toe rings too. There we go. Put those back in, and then you know what? Let me pick up the cushioning in here just to double check and see if this is sterling. And the chain is Italy 925 sterling. And then I did not, oh, did I see a marking on there? I am looking. But I am looking through here just as you guys are. And I'm not seeing anything, but I will look up closer to it. But I do love that this chain is sterling. And I did fight with her over keeping this because it is gorgeous, isn't it? Oh my gosh. She's lucky I love her so much. Okay, now we will do these two little pink satin bags. Aren't those cute? And they are just so soft and adorable. Okay, so these are what I'm keeping for myself because I love hoop earrings and I absolutely can't wait to wear them. They are they have a nice weight, nicely made, you can tell. These are not cheapy quality earrings. And I just love the crescent design in these. Aren't they so pretty? And I love that they're half hoops too, because to me, sometimes these stay in your ears a little bit better. You know also too when they have this little bit of heavy weight to them. But obviously they're not too heavy, but this nice heavy weight, you know, if for some reason, you know, when your mask, when you pull it off and your earring comes off, you can feel these leave your ear. So I love, love, love these. And they also have, I saw on their website, they actually have a full hoop version of these too. I think that are a newer item to their store. And how nice is this that all their stuff is nicely branded. And that way if you give it as a gift, I'll just set that aside. If you give it as a gift, it's a very nice gift. This is what I am going to be doing as the giveaway. And this was a tough one too, because I'll tell you, I loved this. I love this. It is an anklet. Look at how gorgeous that is. And it is adjustable. It has the adjustable length to it. But look at how absolutely beautiful. And they have a lot of butterfly jewelry, but how absolutely beautiful that butterfly is. And you know what? You could, if you wanted it as a pendant, you could take it off of here and put it onto a necklace. But look at the sparkle in that. How pretty would that be for the summer on your ankle? I suppose you could actually wear it as well as a bracelet. Yep, could wear it as a bracelet. So if you're not into anklets, you could do it as a bracelet because of the adjustable length. You could just wear it on whatever suits your wrist. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And this is not sterling. It is yeah, it's not marked anywhere. But once again, I mean, this is just, it has a nice weight to it. It's beautiful quality. I love it. And they, like I said, if you love butterflies, they have a lot of butterfly jewelry on their Instagram page for you to look at, as well as on their website. So this is the item I'm going to be giving away. And if you love it, make sure you comment below what your favorite item was. And it doesn't have to necessarily be the giveaway item. Make sure to like my video, be a subscriber. Obviously, like I said, comment below and follow Sunflower Jewels on Instagram. And visit their website too. That's not part of the giveaway, but show them some love. Visit their website and check out their other collections. All right, guys. That's it for today for my giveaway video. And thank you once again to Sunflower Jewels for sending me this beautiful jewelry and collaborating with me on this video. And let me open this one up so you can see this as well. Beautiful. I love it all. It's so, so pretty. So pretty. All right. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe and stay beautiful.